This video walks you through turning in a paper on Turnitin, which is how we'll be turning our papers in for class. Remember, D2L we'll use sometimes for handing out information, but Turnitin is where I'll be collecting papers because I like the software grading feedback feature on it. So this is a typical screen, home page for the screen. You've got a number of assignments. You click on Submit, it'll bring up a different screen, and then you can title your essay. I hope you come up with a more exciting title than mine. I know you can. And as it says here, you can click on what kinds of files you can submit, and you can also submit them through cut and paste if it comes to that. But you can submit almost any kind of file. If you have any trouble at all, you can contact me, and we'll get you a way to submit it that will work for you. Let me choose a file here. Sorry for the delay. I want to do this one. Okay. So you select this file and click on Upload. I make a video of this because sometimes students will stop here thinking that they've actually submitted the file, and it actually takes a second click. So you've selected a file and it's uploading the raw ASCII, the actual letters, and then it will submit the format. You'll get to see it here and see what it looks like. I'll give you some summary things, but this is where sometimes people will stop and they haven't actually submitted the paper. You need to go to that second step to confirm that you've submitted a paper. Takes just a second. There we are. And this is where we need to be. You'll see how this gives you a digital receipt. I want you to be looking for that. If you like, you can print it out. If you're worried about having a record of it, it prints it when you submitted the file and everything else. And that's what I'd like you to get to. Make sure that you click twice to get here, otherwise you haven't submitted your paper. And then you can go back to the main first home page and see that there is the same information here, except this has been changed from submit to resubmit. You can resubmit up until the due date, so if you find that as you submit something there's something left off, or you want to double check on something or alter it before the actual due date time or the deadline, then you still can do that. Here's where you do that. You click on resubmit and go through the same procedure again. It'll write over that first file and copy in a second file. And that's how you submit a paper for Turnitin. Good luck.